Hello and welcome to today's installment in YouTube, online, on our website, on social media, and every place we're going to post this video. Welcome to the Blue Oval Car Barn. We are right underneath the Crazy Water sign, right down the street from the Baker Hotel in Mineral Wells, Texas. We hope that you get by to see us. We've had a lot of people come in the last week. We've had a group from the Netherlands. We've had a group from Sweden. We've had a couple of car clubs. We've had a reveal party. I've had my high school reunion. We've had a lot of people here the last month. It's been a very busy time. Today I want to talk about revealing a new car. I want to talk about a Boss 351 and the story behind it. And the way it happened was like this. I got a phone call one day from a friend of mine in South Carolina who said, hey, I saw a car on a rollback wrecker at a junkyard in South Carolina, Simpsonville, South Carolina. So I called all the junkyards and found it. And I'm going to post some slides up here that are going to kind of follow through what I'm telling you. You know, the car was in pretty poor shape. They said it wasn't very rusty, but you could see the floor through it. They had tried to replace the floorboards in it. The original engine was there, which was a good thing. The original transmission, the original rear end and axles were there, which is a big deal with one of these Boss cars. But it was a rusty mess. And we started out doing the metal work on it. Then we decided to do a little higher grade job, and we ripped all that out and did the metal work again. And I thank Mike for that, because that was a redo that was all on me. Then it went into paint and body, and we assembled it, and we came out with a very nice car. But this is one that essentially was lost to the world, that was part of a 5-car find in a backyard in Simpsonville, South Carolina, that the junkyard paid $50 a car for and hauled them off. And this is one that I happened to save before it went to the crusher. So it's an R code 71 Mustang Boss 351. And it's red with black standard interior, and it's a single option car. It only has an AM radio, no power steering, no other options. Basically what we do here at the Car Barn is we try to save old high performance 71 Mustangs. Now we do other stuff, but that's my focus, because that's my love, that's my background. This is a car that we saved from the crusher. It's a 71 Boss 351. They only built a little over 1,800 of them. There's only 600 or 700 of them left today. This one is red, black standard interior, and it's in great shape today. It still has a few little things to be fixed, a few little nitpicks that come through restoration always that you have to come back and catch later. And I'm going to walk around here and open the hood for you. What we ended up with is a nice, clean, not a thoroughbred car. We don't really build thoroughbred cars here at the Car Barn, but a nice concourse driven type car, a car that mechanically you can go drive and you'll be happy with for many years to come. So this is a 71 Boss 351 saved out of South Carolina. Now we're going to show you a few still shots of it, and I'm going to show you a few slides of the restoration. Thanks a lot. You guys come by and see me at the Car Barn. Lots of stuff to do here. Bring the kids, bring your car club. We'll see you again from Mineral Wells, Texas. Thanks a lot.